Hello everyone, I'm Shine and you're watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. In today's short video, I'm gonna show you how to define and apply roof live load on the roof of the building. We all know that there is a fixed amount of live load on the floors, but for roof we have to apply a different type of specific load pattern, that is LR, and the magnitude is also different. If you go to the Bnbc and if you expand the load combinations, then you will get a load pattern name, that is LR. This is called roof live and we have to define and assign to the roof of the building. Now the question is, what will be the value of this load? This value can vary according to the purpose of use of that roof. To know the load that should be used on roof, we have to go to Bnbc 2020 and the page number is 3117. Here we can see that if the roof is ordinary flat roof, then it will be 1 kilonewton per meter square. These ordinary flat roofs are like the roof over overhead water reservoir or the roof above the stair room roof. These are not actually roof, these are used to cover the portion only, and it will be 1 kilonewton per meter square, and the conversion of this load in PSF will be 21 PSF. The next type of roof is used for promenade purposes and it is 2.9 kilonewton per meter square. If your roof is not used for gardening and parties like marriage ceremony or new year parties, birthday parties, then it is just a simple roof and we can go to the roof for taking some fresh air. That type of roof load will be 2.9 kilonewton per meter square and the conversion of this load in PSF will be 61 PSF. Again, another category of roof is used for gardening and assembly purposes. It means there will be a lot of people congregated in one place and the value will be larger and it will be 4.8 kilonewton per meter square and the conversion of this load will be 101 PSF. It is 5-storied residential building and to these floors there is applied residential live loads which is 42 PSF, but for the roof the load is different and we are calling it as roof live and the name of that load pattern will be LR. The L will be in capital and R will be in the small letter. If we select the roof and give a right click, then a window will come, and if we go to the load section, then we can see that the load pattern LR, it is applied as 61 PSF. So how to do it? How to apply this 61 PSF load as LR on the roof? I will show it to you from the beginning. Let's dive into the main topic. Before we apply the roof live load on the roof, we have to define this load pattern, and for that we have to go to this define option. I'm clicking on this. Then we go to load patterns option. I'm clicking on it. Then we can see that predefined load patterns are available here, but I don't see the roof live in the list, so we have to create it. I'm giving the name as LR. I have already said that the L will be in capital. Then we go to the type of this load and I will click on this arrow button. Then we will see some list of load types. Here is roof live available and I'm clicking on it. We're done. We will get this load pattern if we click on this add new load option. I'm clicking on it and we can see this load pattern at the last of this list. Then we click on OK option. So what to do now? Now our load definition is complete. Now we have to apply it to our roof of the building. Before that we have to go to that level, and that's why I will go to this plan option. I'm clicking on it and then I will go to this roof level. I'm clicking on it and clicking on OK. Make sure that this option is chosen as 1 story because this roof live will be applied on the roof only. Other floors there will be residential live load, that is 42 PSF. So it is 1 story and I can select these slabs very easily. I'm selecting these slabs one by one. This portion is of stair portion, so we don't have to select this as a roof. Other slabs will be considered as roof, so I selected them. And if we go to the 3D view, I'm clicking on this 3D option, then we can see that the roof slabs are selected successfully. Now we have to apply the roof live load, which is LR, and I'm considering this roof as a normal roof. There will be no gardening and there will be no assembly, so I will apply the load as 61 psf. Before doing that, I will go to the assign option, then I go to the shell loads option, then I will choose uniform option, then I will select here the roof live LR, which is at the last of the list. I am selecting that, and here I am inputting the value as 61 psf, and I am clicking on OK. So our roof live load is applied successfully on the roof. If you want to be sure, just click on the slab and give a right click, and here there will be a load pattern LR and the value is 61 psf. If you go to the plan, then you will see the loads very clearly. I'm going to the plan, and here we see that all the roof slabs are applied 61 psf load as roof live, which is LR. Okay everyone, this is all for today. Stay happy, stay safe. See you in the next video.